In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently prepare and format an essay using Google Docs. Whether you're looking to enhance readability or meet your formatting requirements, these simple steps are designed to elevate your essay presentation without any added stress. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to prepare your essay by opening a new or existing document in Google Docs. If your essay is already written, great. You'll simply begin tweaking it using the next few instructions. Preparing at this stage means being ready with all your content so you can focus solely on the formatting without worrying about missing sections or incomplete thoughts. Once your content is ready, it's time to shift your attention to highlighting your essay. By highlighting, you're laying the groundwork to easily modify fonts and sizes. Simply click and drag your mouse over the text, or if you're working on a large section, you might find it faster to use Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select all the text at once. This step ensures everything is selected and ready for adjustments, making your life a whole lot easier. Next, let's increase the font size and choose a font style that enhances readability. Fonts like Times New Roman or Arial are often preferred for academic and professional documents. To change this, go to the toolbar at the top where you can find the font menu and size options. Selecting a larger font, such as 12 point or 14 point, can make your essay appear longer on the page, fulfilling length requirements and maintaining a clean appearance. Continuing with formatting, our next adjustment is changing the line spacing to double. Double spacing not only adds perceived length, but also enhances the clarity by separating lines, making it easier for anyone reviewing your essay to follow along. To do this, highlight the text again, then navigate to the Format menu, and from there, hover over Line and Paragraph Spacing and select Double. You'll immediately notice how the essay gains more white space, providing a visually appealing layout, and just like that, we've reached our final step. Your essay is now formatted to look longer and more professionally structured, ensuring that you meet whatever guidelines you have. The key here is consistency across your document, so make sure that all sections of your essay maintain the same font, size, and spacing for a uniform look. In conclusion, with just a few clicks in Google Docs, you've transformed your essay into a well-formatted document that stands up to any requirement. Remember, the ease and efficiency you practice now